Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. I'm Laura, and today we're going to have the battle of the primers. So I'm going to be comparing two primers that I have applied on either side of my face. So on one side of my face, I have the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and then on the other side of my face, I have the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. I always get that wrong. So if you want to see how these two products compare against each other, then keep on watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon. So that means you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. I talk about makeup, I talk about hair, I talk about clothing, fashion. So if that sounds interesting at all, then please subscribe. I'm also on other social media. I am on Twitter and Instagram at Loria1. So please check me out and follow me there. So I'm going to apply these on either side of my face, talk about how they apply, how they feel, and then do final thoughts at the end. So if you want to see my review and my comparison of these two products, then please keep on watching. So, okay, on my left side, I'm going to do the e.l.f. primer. Then on the right side, I'm going to do the NYX primer. So I'm just going to read what it says on the e.l.f. website about this primer. The primer transforms your face into a flawless, smooth canvas ideal for long-lasting makeup application. The formula is infused with grape, vitamins A, C, and E, to help boost complexion and hydrate your skin. Okay, so it's smoothing and hydrating. That's what the e.l.f. one says. For the NYX one, it says, apply before foundation for an unbelievably smooth complexion. That's it. So this one just says smoothing. I have an issue with, I have large-ish pores, and then I also have dry skin. I have eczema on my face, so I've had issues with this e.l.f. hydrating one. It either seems to not hydrate enough or hydrate too much. Yeah, I can't seem to get a good balance with that one, so I'm curious to see, and it doesn't seem to do a whole lot for my pores. It sort of minimizes them a little bit, but I'm curious to see how this one holds up. So let's just get into it. I'm going to go in on the e.l.f. side. All right, there's like not a whole lot left. Right, I forgot that. Okay. Put this on my cheek. So I just applied a bit of the e.l.f. primer on my cheek. All right, so for the NYX one. Okay, so it's like a liquid. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be. It has like a similar consistency to the e.l.f. one, but more liquid than like gel. Okay, so I put a bit more on my hands, and now I'm gonna just rub it in. And I feel like I just got like liquid, like I feel like the product separated. I honestly can't see a difference right now. I'll do a close-up. It looks like it's blurred. Okay, it looks great on camera. Close up I can see where I need to tweeze my eyebrows, but okay, can't really see a difference. So far they feel like they're both kind of like oily feeling, like I had to go wash my hands after I applied them. Okay, so this could be a problem with the foundation and not the primer, but there's like a huge patch over here. Like it looks like the foundation is separating, but I think that's just my eczema. It looks a little bit cakey on the e.l.f. side. Okay, wow. I think just my skin doesn't like this because I have a huge patch of just like super dry skin right here. And maybe just the issue is that I need to use a hydrating primer or a less matte foundation, but it does not look great over here. Okay, so it looks a little bit cakey, but I think that's just my skin. So far the e.l.f. side is actually looking better. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then come back. I'm having a major breakout right over here that you probably can't see on screen. Oh, and it looks like I'm also having a smaller breakout on this side. I think that's the foundation. I don't think that has anything to do with the primer. Oh wow, I'm even breaking out on my forehead, which never happens. You know what? I don't think this primer interacts well with my foundation. Yeah, I'm breaking out everywhere. Maybe these primers just don't work well with this foundation. The e.l.f. side over here actually looks less cakey and it seems to be separating less. Both sides are separating, but the e.l.f. side seems to look better. I mean, I don't know if you can even tell on screen. Yeah, so that's this video. I'm obviously gonna give the NYX primer a second chance. Here you need to use a product like primer several times to really get a sense of whether you like it or not. So I'm gonna try it again. I might actually purchase a drugstore foundation, like something that's maybe a little bit more dewy or something, and try it with that and see if that makes a difference, because I've been using the e.l.f. primer for a while, so I know how it works. I might do a follow-up video with the NYX primer once I've used it a few times to see if my opinions change, but I think the e.l.f. one is the winner. So that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've used these products before, let me know, leave a comment. If you have any primers you recommend, please leave them in the comment section below. I love hearing recommendations, especially primers for dry skin, but for someone who likes using matte foundations. So leave all your suggestions below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.